And now it's the Feeling Friends. Hooray!
Yay!
What you doing, Ada? I'm making a jump rope. You just cut right here.
That looks so cool. Yeah. That is so neat. And so,
Yeah, I made this. And
so what do you do?
well, you just get a plastic bag, like you cut the tips off like this, and then once you got it cut off like this, you braid it together. You know, you take all the pieces and then you braid it.
Oh, you just go like this?
Yeah, you loop it through, and then
Oh, like that.
gotta be sure to cut off the edges, you know. See how the paper bag has like it has like the handles. You gotta cut the handles off, and you gotta cut off the seam.
Okay. So like this, you just cut the handles off
Mm-hmm.
and then the seam right here, you just cut it off
Yeah.
and then you had it before you just make a thing like that and then you put it on there like that. So now you have pieces to braid. I like to braid. Braiding is like a lot of fun for me. Yeah. I can see how you would like that. So Ada, can you watch what I'm doing, make sure that I'm doing it right? Here, I want you to just take a look and see what I'm doing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, you've been working hard at this. Yeah. Um, let's show them how that all comes together. So then how are we gonna do this so that it comes together to make a jump rope? Hmm?
Well, what you gotta do is you take the end of it and you get tape, and that can be like the handle at the end. Yeah, take the tape.
Gonna try, see if we can get you to jump rope on this. Do you know what letter starts with jump? What letter does the word jump start with?
Okay, I'm gonna jump rope. Whoa! Jumping! Jumping! Remember, everybody, you can do anything if you practice. I used to be afraid of jumping, and you can read my book, I'm Afraid of Jumping, or no, I think the name of the book is I'm Embarrassed When I Cannot Jump. So now I'm gonna go read it, and you can read it too, and find out if you practice at anything, you won't be embarrassed or shy or feel like you can't do it, because you just have to practice.